Hey y'all ready for another quick meal tonight with just minimal ingredients? Y'all just stay tuned, I'll show you what I'm doing, okay? Hey y'all, welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy and I'm the keeper of the home here at 4D Farms, where we are all about faith, family, home, and farm, and in that order. And we're kind of like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're gonna get. So y'all just come on in, grab a seat, take a look, and have a listen, because you don't want to miss a thing. Hey y'all, Tracy here with Keeper of the Home at 4D Farms. Y'all, tonight I got another quick meal with just minimal ingredients. I've got chicken here. I've got noodles boiling on the stove. A can of diced tomatoes, the Italian flavor. A can of whole kernel corn. And just a bottle of Italian dressing. That's it. All I did this morning was put 2 chicken breasts, big ones, in a Ziploc bag, and I just marinated them in some oil, a little bit of lemon juice, a little bit of this Italian seasoning dressing, a little bit of salt. That was it, okay? I got noodles on the boil over here. I'm just fixing to open up these cans, drain the liquid out. Just so, that simple tonight. But I want to show y'all a little trick. These 2 chicken breasts are kind of big, and one of them will be enough for our meal tonight because it's such a big chicken breast. But I want to show you a trick of what I do with big chicken breasts to make them stretch and sometimes get 2 meals out of them. And that's what I'm fixing to do with this one, okay? And I'll show you how I do this, okay? This is what I like to do with the chicken breasts, y'all. This one I'm going to use for tonight's meal, okay, because it will go in this one pot dish I've got going. This one, I'm going to show you a little trick. If you've got big chicken breasts like this, I want you to take that chicken breast, turn it over on its side, go horizontally. Oh, I need to sharpen my knives, y'all. I'm going to have to get dear hubby to sharpen my knife for me. Cut it in half. Just like that. Watch your hand. Cut this in half. I'm also going to be cooking these tonight because I've already defrosted them and already let them sit like this and marinated. So I'm going to go ahead and fix these tonight, but reserve these because we are going to have grilled chicken breast sandwiches with some French fries one night, okay? So I'm still going to cook them tonight, but I'm going to wrap them up, put them in the refrigerator. Tomorrow night, easy peasy, just heat them up, slap them on our buns with some fixings, put some French fries or something in the air fryer. That's tomorrow night's meal. Tonight's meal, I'm still going to, what I want to do with this one, y'all, is I'm still going to cut this in half. And I'm still going to be cooking these the same way, but I'm going to be fixing these chicken breasts in a pan, and I want to sear them on both sides because I'm going to kind of like be doing a grilled chicken breast in the pan, and I want it crusty and crunchy, okay? Not crunchy, but I mean, you know, crusty on the outsides, okay? So we're going to cook the chicken in a pan, boil the noodles, and then this Italian chicken pasta is going to come together just like that. All right, y'all, I have got my pasta noodles drained while the chicken is sauteing over here. I've got my noodles drained. I'm just going to be opening up these cans, y'all. I think I'm going to want some of that juice, okay? Pour your corn in there. Y'all, you got to remember, don't be afraid to put something like this in a bowl. These have been commercially pressure canned, y'all. They're already been cooked, okay? Just remember that. I want some of that juice in my... Ooh, okay. We got to get this open, y'all. Let me find something to lift this up with. Anyway, you're going to put these in your, oh, okay, I see. That's why it wouldn't go. All right, we're going to dump the tomatoes in there. Okay, throw your cans in the trash. All right, we just reserve them right there. Finish sauteing your chicken on both sides. Let me clean up, wash this cutting board, and sanitize it. Okay, so we can cut up this chicken. All right, y'all see what I did here? These are going to be for the chicken breast sandwiches. So what I did was I got my area all cleaned up, sanitized, everything washed and sanitized. These have had time to rest just a minute. All I'm going to do, y'all, is make like little, I'm going to cube these up, okay? I don't want to shred them. I want to cube them up. Oh. And then as soon as I get these cubed up, y'all, I'm going to toss them over here in this salad. And then show you what we're going to do. Y'all, don't be afraid to use pasta like penne noodles, rotini noodles, ziti noodles, macaroni noodles. Y'all don't be afraid to use them like in pasta salad. They're not just for macaroni and cheese, y'all, or spaghetti, or, you know, pasta, cold pasta salads. Or like a pasta salad like this. Y'all, the possibilities are endless when you pair noodles with something, okay? Chicken's cooked through. I'm going to finish dicing up this chicken or cubing up this chicken. Get the chicken breasts for tomorrow night off and wrapped up. Let them rest. And then I'll show you what we're going to do next. We'll plate it up and taste test it. Alright, y'all, I'm going to let them rest in the pan. I've cut them off, but I'm going to let them rest in the pan. I've got all my ingredients in one bowl, y'all. We're going to take this bottle, shake it up, and we are going to pour. This is a small bottle, so it may wind up taking the whole bottle, and that's okay. I also used some this morning as a marinade, so it was just a small bottle, see? Okay, now, y'all, we're just going to stir this up. You can put anything in a pasta salad that you want to. You can serve this warm right now just like this, or you can put this in the refrigerator and let it be chilling out and cooling and taking it to a potluck, a picnic. Y'all, pasta salad. You cannot go wrong. I just picked up minimal ingredients, y'all. We're going to give this a good stir. You see now why I wanted that crispy chicken? Yes. All right. You can serve this warm. You can serve this cold. And spill some in the process. I got a little too much for my bowl. I'll get that up in a second. Now, after I plate this up, I am going to sprinkle some Parmesan cheese on top. Oh, y'all, and I did add some little extra seasonings in here. I added garlic powder, onion powder, some Italian seasoning, chives, and I think that was it. Yeah, just to give it a little more flavor, y'all. But y'all, we're probably going to be eating off this for 2 nights. A meal for tonight, a meal for tomorrow night. The next night, we'll have those chicken sandwiches. 2 chicken breasts, y'all. Cutting them in half. They were big chicken breasts. Now, y'all, you're not going to be able to do that. You are not going to be able to do that with small chicken breasts, okay? Let me get down here where y'all can see. You're not going to be able to do that with small chicken breasts. Big chicken breasts. Cut them in half, y'all, horizontally. 2 chicken breasts, and look, 1, 2, 3 meals. And I think that pack of chicken, I'm not looking, y'all. I think that pack of chicken was only like $7 and something. And then I just paired it with some vegetables. I already had the pasta left over from another meal. I just threw it all in a bowl, y'all, and not wasted anything. Now, I tell you what, I'm going to get a bowl because y'all, I have this problem of like, the bigger the dish, the more I want to pile on it or in it, and then you wind up overeating quick little tip, y'all. If you struggle with overeating, okay, start putting it in something smaller. Something as simple as that has helped me to shed a few pounds. Because, you know, when you were little, your mama says, eat all your supper. You ain't getting up till it's all gone. Okay, we did it. We did it. That followed me through all my life. I cannot waste this. I'm going to have to eat it. I can't waste it. I'm not throwing this in the trash. I put too much on my plate. I wound up eating it and overeating, stuffing myself, and I was miserable. Yeah, okay. So I'm like, let's start downsizing. And y'all, that's just a little trick. Why couldn't I have thought of that a long time ago, y'all? Okay, I'm just going to put maybe like 2 scoops in this bowl. Just enough for supper tonight. Well, half of it fell off, y'all. Let me get a good little bowl portion. That's probably going to be enough. Okay, let's taste test this. I got to clean that mess up, y'all. Oh, let's put some Parmesan cheese on top. Can't forget that, y'all. Y'all, you can shred up mozzarella cheese and put in here if you want to. Oh, yeah, that's good, y'all. Okay, now let's taste test. Okay, y'all ready? I want a piece of the chicken. I want to get everything in one bite. I don't want to have to get another bite. Okay, I want some of the chicken. I want a noodle. This is easier said than done, y'all. Let me find a smaller piece of chicken. Okay. Noodle, chicken, tomato, and corn. Let's taste all these seasonings together. I ain't got to blow on it because it's cold, y'all. Here we go. You ready? My noodle fell. Y'all, I'm actually gonna let that cool off some more because it tastes better cold or cooled off, and all those flavors are just marinating in together, y'all. That's gonna be a good pasta salad to just throw in the refrigerator, take out, potlucks, picnics, whatever. This, you know, summertime. I don't know what season we're in right now, okay? But y'all, that's going to be a good pasta salad. Y'all need to give this a try. I had the pasta left over, 2 chicken breasts that we're going to get 3 meals out of, a can of corn, a can of diced tomatoes, little, bottle of the Italian seasoning, salad dressing, and Parmesan cheese. Y'all, how quick was that to put together? I'll see y'all in the next video.